Okay, this is test number 2 of high forging force experiments using 0.6 millimeter molybdenum wire at 30,000 RPM on aluminum oxide. We're moving at 75 millimeters per minute of surface feed rate with 0.125 millimeters of total Z feed and 10 millimeters of total track length. So without further ado, I'm going to try to start the deposition at a higher forging force and thus maintain a higher deposition temperature. Contact. We had some feedstock buckling, so I'm going to call that as something like a failure, maybe. Although it did make quite a film of material here. Should have a towel to clean this thing off with. It's very dirty. It's interesting. What do we have here? Oh, it's electrically continuous, just has relatively high resistance. About 6 kilo ohms. Very interesting.